Welcome back editors, I'm your 7x. Today in this video, I'm going to provide you Catchtheedit like intro that is made on Alightmotion with a quick guide for beginners on how to use this preset. If this video hit 474 likes, I will drop this preset for you all. So without any delay, let's get into it. Open the preset in Alightmotion and follow as I am doing. That's all for today everyone. Thanks for watching.